Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add threads to Instagram bio. Now doing this exactly is actually very basic because you really don't have to do anything. I actually didn't have to do anything to add my threads profile into my actual Instagram bio. It just kind of came up. So the way you want to first start out by doing this is basically by making your way over to your threads application. So go inside on threads application and you want to make sure, at least from what I can tell, your threads app and your Instagram application are in the same exact device. If they are on different devices, sometimes that may not work, and all you are going to do is you want to do, as you may have guessed it is just to log in. You just want to go ahead and log into your Instagram application, or log into your threads application. What's going to happen there is you are going to basically be able to come into main profile page by clicking all the way to the far right there. Now what you are going to do is you can go into few things. All I did for the most part was click on my Instagram icon that was right up here, and all that did was take me straight into my Instagram profile on my same phone, on my same app, everything like that. And what I was able to do is write my under specific name here. I have my Instagram, my thread ID right here. So now what people can do is they can, strangers coming into my profile, they can go and click on that little badge here and they can go ahead and view my threads profile by clicking right here. Now if I really want to, I can go ahead and basically click on hide badge. What that's going to do, it's going to go ahead and hide that badge from that profile, so nobody will be able to see my threads badge if I don't want them to see it. If they want to view my threads profile, I just click on here and I will be basically able to see my threads profile here, and I'm surprised I even have 19 followers here. But that's basically how it's done. It's really basic process. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.